Today I'm going to talk about this new feature where we can detect text in an image. So this is done using the OCR model, Optical Character Recognition Model. That is a new model that is developed by Salesforce on the Einstein platform. So how can we use this model? So let me show you an example. So just look at this image. This image has various words like pace, mood, doth, utterly. If we want Einstein to detect these words from an image, how is this possible? So this is possible through the model. So we will send a request to the Einstein platform server and ask it to use this model to detect the words in our image. Einstein will reply back to us with the words in a JSON format. So this is what I'm going to show today. The prerequisite for this is you should have an handshake with the Einstein platform server. That can be done if you sign up with the Einstein platform and generate the RSA private key. So I have already done that. You can also do that. So once you have the RSA private key, you need to upload it over here. You need to click on get token. This token is valid for 15 minutes. I will use this token to do a handshake with the Einstein platform server. Along with that, also, I want to tell you that we are going to use the curl command. Curl command is used to communicate with servers. So we are using this curl command. You can see the format of the command over here. We are using a file. So this is the sample location. So the file is on the internet. It is the same file that I showed you. The model that we are using, Einstein may have different models for different kind of interpretations. For Einstein vision, there are different models. So there may be a model that can help in identifying a car. There may be a model that may help in identifying the food, different kinds of food. So model is kind of a learning that Einstein does and creates a model to identify objects. So I have copied my token. I will replace the token, the old token with the new token that I have generated and which is valid for 15 minutes. Now I will use this command. We can use it in command prompt. Let me go to command prompt. I will paste my command here. And here we have the response. So as the response is in JSON format, let us copy it into a JSON formatter to interpret it. So here you can see it is giving us probabilities that Doth is present in that image. The probability is 83%. So you can see Doth is present. Then help is present in the image. Pace is present 78% probability. River is present 77%. Feeding, cottage, standing, and many more. Hope you like this feature and you will share it with your friends and use it wherever possible. So thank you everyone.